Guys, Hulk Smash here, and today we are playing Air Tycoon Clicker. So I just got this. Look at this. So now we can automatically upgrade our stuff. So we automatically need to get money. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, cops. Smashers. I don't know why I did that, but yes, I did. I know I'm so bad. So we're gonna collect some more money. If you guys want to download this game, you guys can. So no. I said you Smashers can download this game. I don't know, I probably did say that. So, Smashers, download this game if you want. It's very...
Don't smash stuff like this! Smash!
Oh, stop.
Smash! Hey guys, Dead Gun!
Yeah, that's Dead Gun, and I'm Hulk Smash. So, Smashers, please download this game.
I'm gonna get this game too.
Get it.
Wah!
Get off! You're destroying my video.